Mr. Apple's Puppets. Mr. Apple's Puppets.
Mr. Office Puppets.
Hello? Hello? Anybody there? Let me... Oh, yes, I can see you. Hello in there. Hello. I am Blue Furry Monster. And this is Mr. Arthur's Puppets, number 15. And, well, a while ago, I was being taught how to count by twos by Mr. Arthur and with Kathy. And now Mr. Arthur wants me to count by fives and tens. This is getting very confusing. But to help me, I don't have Mr. Arthur today. I have Grandpa. Come here, Grandpa. Hello, Blue Furry Monster. How are you? Oh, I'm very good, thank you. And hello to you too, kids. Whoa, so what is the problem? Well, I need to count by fives. I need to learn. I only know how to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Wow. See, I'm getting very good. I've been practicing. Okay. Well, the first step to counting by fives is to count by tens. What? I thought we were counting by fives. Yes, well, what you will find, Blue Furry Monster, is that if you count by tens, then you know half of your fives. Okay, whatever he said. Well, I'll show you. You'll catch on. When we count by tens, the first three numbers are the trickiest. Okay? Right. So, we're going to count the first three, which is 10. Oh, look. There's a number. That's very cool. You're right. What number is that? Is that 10? It is. Right. Then there's 20. Wait, 20. There it is. Cool. 10, 20. And then 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Okay, now they're the tricky ones. Now the rest are easy because all you need to do is say the number and put a T on the end. A T? What do you mean? A letter T? Yes, you just say T. Listen. 40. Oh, there's 40. Hey, you're right. You said T. 4. T. What do you notice about those numbers? 10, 20, 30, 40. Well, the first number always counts up. And the last number is a 0. You're very smart. Thank you. You're very old. Thank you, I think. Well, so the next one must be 550. Why isn't it 50? I didn't think of that one before. Okay. And the other question. Why isn't 10 1T? And 20 should be 2T. And 30 should be 3T. 40? That's right. Well, what's next then, Grandpa? Well, after 50, there's 60. Then 70. Then 80. And 90. And then 100T. No, that's 100. Just 100. Okay, I'm going to try myself. 10. Hey, there's my numbers again. That's cool. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yeah! Hey, well done, you did it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to count by fives. If you know your tens, you know half your fives, like I said. Okay. Just do what the man says, okay. Just nod sometimes. Okay. So what I need is I need you to count by tens, and in the middle I will count by fives. Okay, I know how to count by tens. It's okay. I got this one under control, people. Okay. So I'll start with 5. Okay? 10, 15, 20, 25. You see what I'm doing? I'm just putting a 5 on the end. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Ooh. 75. Oh, hang on. I've lost count now. Did I do 65? 70. I think I did. Yes. 70. 75. 80. 85. 90. 95. 100. Yo, yeah, that's good. Okay, we made it. You can also put a little pattern to your voice. So listen to me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 95, 100. Okay, do you think you got it? I think I do. Okay, Grandpa, you can leave me alone now. I'm going to practice with the people. Okay, bye. Thanks for helping. All right. He's a good man, that Grandpa. Now listen to me. I'm going to try it, and I'm going to try putting that what he say, the rhythm. Okay, put a bit of rhythm to my voice, okay? Here I go. 10. No, I start on 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Yeah, yay for me and for you too. You're very good at counting. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the 5s and you count the 10s. Ready? I start. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Wow, we did it. We made it all the way to 100. All right, this time you do the 5. You start. Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We're very good. Okay, Miss, thank you very much for helping me. Okay, I'm very happy we can all count by 5s. Okay, I see you later now. Okay, see you. Bye. Hang on, you haven't gone yet. Bye-bye. Hello, and welcome back. I hope you liked number 15. I thought it was very cool myself. Good counting by Blue Furry Monster. Thank you. That's okay. Can you count too? I think I can now. Thank you for teaching me. Thanks, Grandpa. It's all right. Thanks, Charlie. No problem. Okay, now, I'm here to show you some artwork from a couple of people. Have to say before I do, a hello to Kaylee. Kaylee emailed me and my puppets, and all my friends, sorry. They're not my puppets, they're Mr. Arthur's puppets. Thanks, Charlie. It's all right, no problem. Okay, so the first hello was to Kaylee, because she emailed us. Hi, Kaylee. Good to see you. I can see you through the camera. Hello. And also, I got some artwork here to show you. The first one is from Brittany. And Brittany goes to Londonderry Public School. And here is her work. Thank you, Mr. Arthur. And a lovely hand you have. This is a lovely picture, and it is done by Brittany. Again, I just said that. And it's a very colorful kangaroo. And a sun. Nice picture, Brittany. I like the colors you put in. Get a bit closer, Mr. Arthur. That's excellent. Whoa. Very good. And look, if you turn it around, Brittany has written her name beautifully. Thank you, Brittany. That was great. Okay. Love your picture. I'm going to hang it on the wall in the puppet bag. Now, the next picture we have is a very talented boy called Luke, who goes to Vineyard Public School. And Luke has done this wonderful, wonderful picture of a dragon. He did that all by himself. Very impressed. Lots and lots of detail gone into that. Congratulations. Luke, you are very talented. Thank you very much. Okay, now, if you would like your artwork shown on Mr. Arthur's Puppets at any stage, just email the address down there. Okay, and what Mr. Arthur can do is either give you a cheerio, hello, or he can show your artwork and you'll be famous just like us. Okay, thank you to Luke and Brittany, and I will see you all next time on Mr. Arthur's Puppets. Okay, bye.
Mr. Arthur's Puppets. Mr. Arthur's Puppets.
Mr. Office Puppets.